Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Future Byte, your go-to channel for all things AI. I am super excited to have you here for another fun and informative tutorial. If you enjoy the content, please show your support by hitting that like button and subscribing to stay updated with the latest in AI. Now, let's dive right in. Welcome to today's video. Before we dive in, I want to share something exciting with you. Every stunning visual you will see here is powered by Hailuo AI, an incredible tool developed by the innovative startup MiniMax, backed by giants like Alibaba and Tencent. This groundbreaking technology transforms simple text into high-quality, AI-generated videos, and the best part, it's completely free to use. In this video, we will explore how Hailuo AI is pushing the boundaries of video generation and reshaping the future of AI. One of the most impressive features of Hailuo AI is its ability to produce high-resolution content at 1280 by 720 with a smooth frame rate of 25 FPS, making it perfect for professional use. Whether you are working on marketing videos, educational material, or even pre-visualization for films, Hailuo AI delivers visuals that are both crisp and seamless. But it's not just about the resolution. Hailuo AI supports a wide range of visual styles and camera perspectives, giving you the flexibility to bring all kinds of creative ideas to life. Whether you are envisioning futuristic cityscapes or lush, nature-filled landscapes, this tool transforms your text input into stunning video content in just seconds. In short, Hailuo AI combines power, versatility, and ease of use, making it a game-changer for AI video generation. If you are passionate about exploring the world of AI video creation, now is the perfect time to dive in. Let's get started and create some amazing videos with Hailuo AI. Don't just watch the revolution, be a part of it. Experiment with this incredible technology and unleash your creativity. Your AI-powered content journey awaits. Follow AI Future Byte to stay ahead of the curve and keep up with the latest trends and tools shaping the future of digital media. So, let's jump in and see why Hailuo AI is making waves in the AI world. Let's start by visiting the Hailuo AI website. Currently, the site is only available in Chinese, but don't worry. We can easily translate it into our preferred language. Don't worry, just use a translator to switch it to English. On the website, you will find a prompt box for generating content. Below that, there are two green buttons. The first one is for creating music with Hailuo AI, which I will cover in a future tutorial. The second button is for converting text into video, which is what we are focusing on today. Click that button, and it will take you to the video generation page. At the top of the video generation page, you will find the all-important prompt box, where the magic happens. Stay tuned, because there's so much more to explore with Hailuo AI in upcoming tutorials. As you scroll down, you will see a gallery of videos generated by Hailuo AI community. You can click on any of these videos to view them in a larger size. What's cool is that below each video, you will find the exact prompt that was used to generate it. If you like what you see, there's a download icon in the bottom right corner that allows you to save the video to your device. Above the gallery, there's a tab labeled It's Mine. When you click on this tab, you will see a gallery of videos that you have personally generated using Hailuo AI. I tested this without even creating an account, just to get a feel for the AI's capabilities. For example, I have already written a prompt about an idea is to imagine Dwayne Johnson as a robot, similar to the Terminator. After clicking Generate Video, my request is added to the queue. In no time, my text is transformed into a video, and a thumbnail appears. I click on it to watch the video in a larger size, and once again, I am amazed by how Hailuo AI brought this concept to life. The transformation of just a few words into a cinematic video feels like something straight out of Hollywood. It's incredible how AI can take a simple text prompt and create such a polished, movie-like feel. Be sure to check the community section of my YouTube channel, AI Future Byte, where I will be sharing more useful prompts for you to experiment with. Let's push the boundaries of Hailuo AI even further with another exciting prompt. This time, we are going to generate a car scene. I have already written a prompt and pasted it into the text box. It's about a blue Lamborghini driving on a wet road in the rain. I click Generate Video to get started, and my request is added to the queue. After a short wait, my text is once again transformed into a video and a thumbnail of it appears. I click on the thumbnail to watch the video in a larger size, and once again I am blown away by the results. Hailuo AI did an amazing job bringing this idea to life, with the Lamborghini cruising through the rain in stunning detail. I am sure you will be as impressed as I am with how well it handled this prompt. It's remarkable how realistic and dynamic the video looks, all generated from just a few lines of text. Let's really push the limits of Hailuo AI with a Hollywood-style challenge. I have already written a prompt and pasted it into the text box. This time, Hugh Jackman in a spacesuit on another planet. I pasted it into the text box, and to convert this text into a video, I simply click on Generate Video. My request is added to the queue, and after a short wait, my text is transformed into a video. A thumbnail of the video appears, and I can click on it to watch it in a larger size. I am really impressed with how Hailuo AI has brought my idea to life. The AI was able to transform my vision into something that looks astonishingly realistic, and I think you will agree once you see it. To let you try this out, I will be posting the exact prompt I used in the community section of my YouTube channel, AI Future Byte. Head over to the community section, copy the prompt, and you can experiment with it too. Happy creating. Now imagine if we could create an entire Hollywood movie using AI. To prove this, let's try another prompt. This time, it's a scene with Robert Downey Jr. standing beside the Titanic ship. I click Generate Video to convert the text into video form, and after a short wait, the thumbnail of the video pops up. I click on it, and once again, I am blown away. It's unbelievable. Just a few lines of text, and we have recreated an iconic scene with one of the world's greatest actors beside the legendary Titanic, all thanks to AI. The potential here is limitless. With Hailuo AI, we are not just imagining, we are creating. So, what makes Hailuo AI stand out? The current version of the model can generate 6-second video clips at a resolution of 1280 by 720, running smoothly at 25 frames per second. While 6 seconds might sound short, MiniMax has already teased upcoming updates that will extend video length and even introduce image-to-video conversion, expanding the tool's creative possibilities far beyond its current limits. This positions Hailuo AI as a serious contender for anyone looking to create high-quality AI-generated content. In future tutorials, I will be showing you how to edit these videos and combine them into longer, more dynamic creations, so stay tuned. Did you find this tutorial helpful? If so, why haven't you liked it yet? Go ahead and smash that like button. And don't forget to share this video with your friends, it could help them too. This tutorial is just a small drop in the ocean of AI content that I upload regularly to this channel. If you are passionate about AI, you are in the right place. Subscribe now and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on my upcoming tutorials. Remember, AI is the future, so embrace it today. I will see you in the next tutorial.